Welcome children to the first day session 6 SST class 3. Today we will do something very exciting. We will not study from our textbook or notebooks, but we will have fun with the laptop or the phone. Yes, children, we will do some MCQs online, multiple choice questions from the chapter Our National Symbols. What are MCQs? A question will be given which would have different options. You have to choose the correct answer from the given options. There will be a link given in the school portal which you have to click and a page will open like this. See children, you have to fill up the email ID. For example, I am filling it out as. Now take the help of your mom or dad. Remember children, this is very important and it has to be done with care. Next, you have to write your name like this. I've written my name, but you will fill in your own name. Understood? Now, let's see how to mark the section you belong to. Here, for sections A, B and C, you will see P within brackets and R within bracket written. P stands for Panihati campus and R stands for Ruia campus. This means Ruia school students will choose from sections A bracket R, B bracket R or C bracket R, and Panihati students will choose from sections A bracket P, B bracket P, C bracket P, D, E, F, G, H or I. Clear children? Let's go for the questions. Each question carries 1 mark and each question will have options. You have to choose the correct answer. Now question number 1. The Ashoka Chakra has been taken from, and the options are Red Fort, Lion Capital at Sarnath, Victoria Memorial, Taj Mahal, and the correct answer is Lion Capital at Sarnath. Question number 2. The words Satyameva Jayate means war of words. We should always speak the truth. Truth always wins. Truth alone triumphs. And the correct answer is truth alone triumphs. Question number 3. The green band at the bottom of our national flag stands for. The options are peace and truth, prosperity and growth, peace and growth, prosperity and truth. And the correct option is prosperity and growth. Question number 4. Our national anthem was written by Mahatma Gandhi, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Walt Disney. And the correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 5. National song of India is Janagana Mana, Korbo Lorbo Jitbo, Vande Mataram, we shall overcome. And the correct answer is Vande Mataram. Once you have answered all the questions, you must revise. In case you need to change the answer, click on the correct option which you think is correct. Revision done. Now you submit. After submission, the most interesting part is that you can check your own marks immediately by clicking View Score. Here we have got 5 out of 5. That means all correct. Below in the comment section, I have given a link for home assignment. Please practice them thoroughly over and over again. That's all for today. Stay safe, children. Thank you.